Nearly a year ago, a man's fantasy became reality in a form never seen before. Designer's Arena. A grand studio. The motivation of creating such an arena was to encounter new original designs created by designers all over the world. To realize this dream, he started to choose his top designers of various styles of designing, and he named them the Iron D's, aka the Iron Designers. Today's challenger is Henry Lowe. He is a professional designer in the area of interface, and he will choose one of the Iron D's to compete with. And he chooses Iron D Michael. Today's theme is web design, and the website is Yale University. And there happens to be a lot of problems with this user interface. Winnie is a 22-year-old born in Seattle. She just graduated from Simon Fraser University with a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree. She is currently looking into a Master of Fine Arts program in Yale School of Art. Heuristics violated. Efficiency problems. There is no up button to bring the user back to the top of the page if the page is very long. Consistency problems. There is no consistency to indicate that the user is still on the same website. It can cause the user to feel that there is a lack of credibility. Proximity problems with mapping problems. There are too many options for the users to choose from on this site, and an abundance of them are hidden or nested within different menus or unrelated menus. Learnability and explorability problems. A website of a school department should be easily accessible for information to be found. Now Iron D Michael and challenger Henry Lowe will have 1 minute to create a new design for Yale University.
Jake. Sit. Start. Type random stuff. Type random stuff.
3, 2, 1. That was a great battle. And now challenger Henry Lowe is offering a newly designed interface for Yale's website called the Quadra Bleu. Iron D Michael is also offering a new interface design for the website called the Poly Blue.
For a prototype Quadra Bleu, by having main menu bar at the top center area of each page, and with drop-down menu for each option, the menu system is highly hierarchically and organized. Text boxes for login are placed at the very top of each page. Users can access to it whenever they want. For each page, a second navigation system is applied. Users will find that collapsible menus on the left side really hardly. By default, options are collapsed. It opens up only when users click them. It provides an outline of what is going on that page. The next one is Poly Blue. Instead of drop-down menu, tabs are applied here. When users click on one option, he or she will be directed to a new page, and there will be tabs that categorize subsections under that option. There is a login panel that slides down after clicking. The contents on that page will move down along with it. Also, panel provides option for users to let website remember their login information, which is convenient. Again, as mentioned above, instead of a second navigation, the content of the page are categorized by tabs. By clicking on each tab, the user can navigate information accordingly, and there's no search engine for this prototype. In order to measure the improvements of the new prototypes from the original website, we tested 8 users based on each task. Here are the results. The first task is to log in. We ask users to read the login system for the original website, prototype A and B. The original one is rated by 4.6, while prototype A and B are rated by 6.7 and 8. The second task is to find tuition fee. It takes about 10 seconds for the original website. It takes 3 seconds for prototype A and 5 seconds for B. The third task is to find Henry. It takes about 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and 13 seconds on average for the original website, prototype A and B. The final task is to send a feedback. Compared to the original website, which needs 17 seconds in general, it only takes 10 seconds on average for both prototype A and B. Overall, prototype A wins this competition.